Found me? Yeah, man. It's the Safe Room Pop. We back again with another banger episode. You smell me? I'm with my brother today. You smell me? Austin is back again in the house. You smell me? Ayo, welcome to chilling with your boy. AKA Fox the music name, man. You know what it is, man. And right here with me today, I'm with none other but the problematic one. You smell me? Austin, how you doing, my brother?
Yay! Come on, John. Ngithi kunje? 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 Kunje, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Wagwan, my brother. Wagwan. You good? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got a motion, we got a toast, we got a toast. But it's the cool man. Go my camera man. What all about Mr. Cool Guy? What go on? How can I say it in cool? It's the pezega thing I'm cool. You good by the way? No, yes, into Zako. Sure, how can you into soak your hand into no this thing? I wanna evacuate you. Yeah, good. Yeah, man, this is the Safe Room Pop, man. I hope y'all doing good at home. And it's another beautiful Wednesday. You smell me? We're bringing you another scoop on your screen. You smell me? You know, man. But today in the house is not only us, my brother. Austin, introduce the guest that you brought with you today. Man, I'm cool. Wednesday, Monday. This thing, it releases on Wednesday, my brother. It's another Wednesday, my brother. See, we are forward to time, my brother. Here is a production, my brother. You smell me? Hey. Think the people as they are watching on the beautiful Wednesday, ne? Smell me? Yeah, we're dropping on Wednesday. So beautiful is Olena. Hey, my man. Angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nabafo wethu la o snack money snack kwa snack eaters ne ngihamba futhi nomfo wethu la usithombe da DJ. Make sure you tune in lapho ku YouTube ku TikTok na ku Sound Save. Make sure you tune in usithombe da DJ. Yeah man. Anyway, man, it's a beautiful Wednesday. It's a beautiful episode, man. And it's been a long fucking week. By the way, we coming from the G20 summit. You smell me? Wagwan, man. Wagwan. The G20 something is something big. It's a big deal. You smell me? Yeah. But before we go there, my bro, as you smell me, all those things they happen. We come from it was the G20 summit, it's the GBV. We'll get into that. But Bruce, this goes for everybody in this too right now. You smell me? I have had this like thought, you know, for the rest of the week, and I was like, Bruce, what do you think about the hands? Whom, like, let's say right now you're in a relationship, you understand, or whatever, entanglement, that when, like, let's say for an example, of course, you as a bro, you getting an upper hand, you understand. What do you think about the hands who talk smack if they feel like they didn't get the upper hand, or like the end say during the end of the whole thing, in short, city, if anga winanga, you smell me? What do you think, dog? Like, they revert to talking smack. You know, this thing I've been thinking about, I was like, dog, why does it have to be like that, bro? If you were with somebody, it's not like y'all like share bad memories. It's all about the bad memories. Actually, the bad memories are only based on the short term, of which it was a fight, of which it ruined the long term thing. But y'all shared like beautiful memories, you understand? So I don't get this thing, even though it does not only apply on the hands. There are bros who are like that too. When they hop out of something, they hit with a hand, they start talking smack. Why do you wanna talk smack First things first. What do you think about that, bro? Give me your take. Ungamangali ndoda.
Angimangali.
Yeah.
Bakhona labantu abanjalo mkhulu yabo labantu abanomona labantu abasafuna ukuphinda babuye futhi yabo in a relationship njengoba usho ukuthi these people were once in a relationship but after they break up then one comes back and then talks shit about the other person yabo
Sure.
ikhona into kanjalo mkhulu so we learn to live with that.
Kahle lento le ibangwa yini mina I just want to understand
umona fucking jealous
is to see you doing good ukuthi uyaphumelela
umona akusiyo ukuthi uyaphumelela isa record le direct
sure usazwakala la indlela ithi le I only red ayimelanga ukuthi yenzekayo le
line sure it's only red
okay
so umona chief umona mhlawumbe wena sokuthola igudzumela la eliblind yabona lento kanjalo sure thola umedem la okrend oblind yayibona lento kanjalo
sure
manje that's why azobuya azokhuluma shit and why wena njalo masina kumele sikhulume ngabe umedem ndlula
nah you know it's a dog phela le gender le dog yazi this gender kuyafana we still gonna talk about it like today we're still gonna talk about it so the reason why ngifuna ukuthi ngikhuluma nga it was something of which I was thinking about during whatever that was actually going on, you understand, and then I was like hi man, so why do sometimes like if you feel like you didn't get the last say on your relationship or entanglement or whatever, why do you have to talk smack? Yeah, act like when you're Chuck Norris now, you know.
Hey, ungamfaka uChuck Norris la. Ayi Chuck Norris. Ayi Chuck Norris yinja baba. Yinja leya.
That's what I'm saying.
Yakena kuthi ngesikhathi Chuck Norris bengiqala ukubona imovie elishaya ngengoma e1 kuze kuyophela imovie.
Noma.
Serious. Khona le movie le bathi Delta Force ya Chuck Norris.
So yeah, gav.
Bathi to no. Asinjule la.
Sure. But then, hey man, so yeah, that was the thought that I had in my mind. I was like, but Bafetina, it's all a lento like, I don't get it. But anyway, man, it's part of life. It's that gender after all. There's nothing we can do about it. You smell me. Anyway, man, so speaking of which, we were on G20 type of thing, right? You know, dog, this G20 thing, you know, like me, if there's one thing of which like it has had my attention from all the time, dog. But it's US is a fucking booty, dog.
Any
US,
yeah,
USA, because of now, US of which is Trump, in short. You understand? Trump, they boycotted against this thing. Ogoti G20 is gonna be like in South Africa, and they were boycotting, trying to like create reasons, those hideous reasons. Ogoti, I'm a Afrikaner and Tonin.
I know.
Yeah, but so like, I look at it, I'm like, and at this thing I've been saying it like over and over and over again, bro. Like, Trump is like a spoiled fucking child, bro. Trump is like a spoiled child. Like everything, it has to go the way afuna ngakhona. You understand? I don't understand, bro. What makes that nigga think he's so fucking special in this world that much?
Man. Yazi ukhohlweni. Phela ubizigama igama labantu la.
Like what?
You forgot to say allegedly.
It's not an alleged. He boycotted. There is an.
You forgot to say allegedly.
Dog, you only say allegedly if in Daba, awukho shonga or is not.
When you shongale
that he boycotted. Yeah.
Okay. When you shongale ukuthi ungavula ama article. Sifuna ukushesha la. Ushongale. No, I don't mean that he boycotted. Leyo ukuthi he's a spoiled fuck yabo lezinto kanjalo.
That's my opinion.
Allegedly. Yisho phela ukuthi allegedly.
Allegedly to my opinion, bro.
Yeah.
That's my opinion.
Uzoboshwa lentsha. Uzoboshwa.
Allegedly, Trump is a spoiled child. It doesn't ring.
Manje ukhuluma into ephuzile.
It's a spoiled child. Like it doesn't have a ring into it, you understand? But then that's how it is, bro. So even this thing, there was this thing. Like it doesn't make sense, my bro. You understand? So as I was saying, my boy. So here is the article about the G20 summit. They say the G20 summit set to end with another diplomatic spat involving the US, as you were talking about it. You understand? The US wanting all the attention, like all the time. We have to listen to the US. Yes, economically they are like. Okay, the best, but it doesn't mean for all the time we should follow what the US want us to be doing, you understand? Mm-hmm. So the article goes and says the group of the 20 summit of South Africa is set to end with another diplomatic spat involving the United States after the host country. They say the group of the 20 summit in South Africa is set to end with another diplomatic spat involving the United States after the host country refused to hand over the rotating presidency of the bloc to what is described as a junior US official. So it goes on, they says in Johannesburg, the group of the 20 summit in South Africa is set to end on Sunday with another diplomatic spat involving the United States after the host country refused to hand over the rotating presidency to the bloc to what it is described as a junior US official. The US, it's a fact. It's not something I have to say allegedly. The US boycotted the 2-day meeting of leaders from rich and emerging economies in Johannesburg over Trump's administration claims that South Africa is violently persecuting its Afrikaner white minority. Why they wanna like hold on to that thing, Afrikaner? They even attacked our president at the White House with that thing. You still remember? Uguti ama Afrikaner and Tonton, they are not treated with what is this thing? They are not treated with fairness and Tonton. That is why there was this other ones. They had to go to the United States. It appears good. They are not even farmers.
Yes, now. Yeah.
Wagwan.
Yazi nawe uthatha izinto ezishoyo imedia kakhulu uyithathela enhlizweni.
No,
mamele ngizwe ukuthi ngithini. Ngithi mina lezi zinto ezishoyo imedia they are not always true. Of course, in fact, ama Afrikaner they want to be bossy in our land. Yabona into kanjalo. They want to be bossy in our land. So no Ramaphosa naye they attacked him via who's this one of EFF Malema.
So
they attacked him via Malema.
Yeah.
And Malema is an individual person. Malema is an individual person who stands his ground.
Sure.
When I do this, I do this.
Yeah.
When I say kill the poor, I kill the poor.
Yeah.
Serious. So nani Ramaphosa nawe, you are taking the same stance. The whites are right. We must oblige to the right, to the whites. We must bow down to them. No.
Me, I'm reading. Dog, you need to
Allegedly.
You need to understand. Lalel. Correct the lab. Lento lenge funda lana is something of which it's an official. Lalel, listen. It's something of which it is released, it's on the media. So mina nyakutshela ukuthi okay fine sharp. This thing is what the US is actually boycotting against. Angise siyazi ukuthi if US boycotta guy, ba boycotta ba provider ama reason maphi. You understand? So Lontuza my provider ama reason ukuthi lento le ba boycottela. So I'm telling you ukuthi okay fine sharp. Njengoba thina we stay here in South we know the truth ukuthi lento lena vele amabhuru namantonton it's a lie. Yeah, but we know. But the fact is, United States is taking that thing and is making it like the big thing. Engathi lento lena, it even went to a technical high end where I think it implicated Elon Musk, where Grok was actually like instigating lento leyo ukuthi amabhuru ntoni Afrikaner in South Africa, you understand?
Chief, there's multiple videos of Amapuno of white people, ne? So there's multiple videos, Chief, of white people pranking black people.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Pranking.
Kabang. Not even implementing some things, but there's multiple videos of white people pranking black people. There's a guy, I don't know what his name is, Lapago Media, but he's pranking black people. He's pranking black people with a dead body in a bag. You don't know that video? You don't know the videos?
Way.
He's pranking black people.
Damn.
He's like,
that is fucked, bro.
These black people I think are construction workers, you see?
Yeah.
I think are construction workers because they are wearing overall
Yeah.
So he is giving them a lift home.
Sure.
So he's giving them a lift home. Whilst giving them a lift home, he says to them, he has like, it's not even a 7-seater because I think it's kind of like a Avanza, ne? It's kind of like Avanza. Yeah, it's kind of like Avanza, but with some space on the back. So it has like 5-seaters, 7-seaters, but some space in the back. So he has a bag there. He says to the black people, it's a body which has been cut to pieces. This body happens to open the bag.
Yeah.
To open the bag. Them people are scared to shit. Man. But tuge bayafa.
The fuck?
But tuge bayafa, dog.
Damn.
There's another video that I saw of a black person bamfake ku coffin. Of a black person bamfake ku coffin.
Yeah.
Uvela kanje like sorry bona bavale coffin. White people like sorry ngiyaxolisa ngeke kuphinde kwenzeke. A black person, Chief, in a coffin. I don't know. I know. I don't think it's one of those people.
So
I think they were trying to show Guti they are dominant as well.
Yeah.
Yabo.
You know how white people are, man.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So abantu abamhlophe, we shouldn't take them to mind kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yabo. Akumeleka sibafake engqondweni kakhulu because nabo bayadelela at some point. Yazi Chief, unokufika endaweni a resort of some sort. Yabo. Unokufika endaweni ubabengelele bathule. Ngamasibom.
Plus yabazi laba.
Exactly. Yabo. Exactly. So these white people mina nje angibona ukuthi ngathi singabathathela engqondweni kakhulu. Don't take them to heart, Chief. Don't take them to mind.
But that's the thing, dog. If it involves our economy, if our economy is in the mix, because of, come on, whether we like it or not, man, the US has power, bruh, and is the one at the top of the hierarchy.
Over who? Over who?
Over us.
Over us
in South Africa.
Not really. Do you know that most of the minerals that are promoting the global Chief, listen, do you know that most of the minerals that are promoting the world's economic, in fact not the world's, the global economic system come from South Africa? Gold. Where does gold come from? Where does
it come from? South Africa, obviously.
Where does platinum come from?
Africa.
Where does oil come from?
Africa.
Exactly. So you see, most of these things are taken from Africa.
Yeah.
But by that time our country is it's ranked the lowest in the hierarchy.
That is what I'm telling you for it. And regardless of those things that we have, yes, we do have the diamond. Yes, we do have the gold. We do have the platinum. We do have the what. But the fact is, we cannot, as those things, we can only make profit. We can't make profit with them like directly, as we can only like import them and then calculate our profit ka tsona se di gutla di selwa back to us. One understand? Ha re tse profit ka tsona like originally the way emna ha ona ke ifin jwela re leng gore e ngotse made in South Africa, bra. You understand? So these things, yes, we have the resources tse leng gore they can manufacture diamond jewelries, gold whatsoever, but we do not have the resources to manufacture those things. That is why those things di tlama go reditswe and then ha di qeta utswa di gutliswe. One understand?
And the thing we pay them at a higher price than the one that we make them pay.
That's the fucked
Chief,
up part, dog.
Let's pass because this one is
it's kind of boring. So yeah, that was the thing for you about the G20 summit, man. Like the US, as you are saying, they are trying to like prove their power for okay, fine, sharp, this thing. But then amid South Africa is decided to for now we're hosting a drink in regardless of you for a pull up. You understand? So yeah, man. So yeah, that was the take of the day about this thing. Yeah, what is this thing? The G20 summit, especially Trump is the big deal. Trump is the president.
nani niyamsaba mina nje makangeza la yini yabona uthini uzokhuluma ngaye la ku podcast yakho.
Yeah,
uzokhuluma ku podcast yakho
uchapaza country yethu lalela lo muntu ufuna ukuchapaza nesiyayikhuluma lento lokuthi lento le aza ngaye ayikho.
Chief, the person that he speaks to or Ramaphosa. Or Ramaphosa, what are they doing about this matter? Benzani, they bow down. Bahlonipha in omalem. Yabo. Bahlonipha omalem. Yabo. So let's pass, Chief. Donald Trump is one selfish and insubordinate person.
Let's pass for real. Let's pass right now. Anyway, and this thing at G20 summit, of which it was questionable for me. Why was it intertwined with this thing at GBV rally? All of a sudden we were having a rally, there was GBV, and I'm afraid, okay, here's the question.
So
you understand? The big question that I want to ask, what is GBV, dog? What is GBV?
Gender-based violence.
Danko. Not woman-based violence. No, like guys, let's be honest. This is what has been happening. Me in my thought. I know people right now who are watching, they're gonna have me on the media. Sharp, fine, guys. But I'm saying,
attack me as like, well. But I don't think GBV should have a surname.
Danko.
GBV now has a surname.
It has a surname.
It has a surname.
It's only women.
GBV for females.
This thing, it has turned into a woman rally. It's all about women. Never failed to. Majita have experience GBV because of this thing. It's gender-based violence, bruh. It's not women-based violence. So these people, whatever that they doing, bruh, like right now, every post, Kalama people everywhere. Kala everywhere. Chief. So this thing is about women. Yo, females, they love attention, bruh.
We tried to implement this thing of green wallpapers for gents. For gents. They said men are being personal now. Men are being personal now. They are thinking of themselves. They are thinking of themselves. They are implementing something that will help and promote the safety of women and children. I asked, we asked, why manje ninikeza GBV is a name? Because manje ninikeza GBV is a name.
GBV is a name. Yo, females,
listen, Chief, I'm not against this thing that they are doing.
Yeah, I'm not against.
I'm not against
it's
it.
It's not about them.
I was supporting it.
Sure.
Even the other day, we were there.
Exactly.
Cabanga, dog. This thing is about females.
Mina nosithombe sisuka endlini. They said it's all black, ne?
Yeah.
We wear all black. Mina nosithombe, we go to the campus.
Sure.
Ne? Masifike campusini siphethe yini lento besiphethe le? Ifleece, ne? Siphethe fleece. We sit down.
Sure.
Other women join us. They sit down on our fleece.
Sure.
Yabo? They sit down on our fleece. Sihlala phansi. Do they have photos of us there? No. Did they post photos of us there?
No. Bafethu, South Africa, out there, bona. Hans, you might hate me, bon. Love me or hate me, but then GBV is not about you guys. It's about all of us. It's not about you guys. No, it's about women, iketi, ama abuse, bafethu. Mauti asafara lebona. So now the meditating di kharna bella, it's abuse amajita. Kele butle man. Why? Why we not attending to that?
And daughter.
Why we not attending to that?
Umchita uzothi makafika police station la.
Bamhleka. That is why we will not like report them because of whatever. You go there, they're gonna laugh at you, bruh.
Chief, men are not attended in this country.
Yeah, this country, men are neglected.
They are not attended. Mina, I would like to give a shout out to Unogbonga. Unogbonga besihlala naye emqashweni. Then she moved to Emigalo. That woman is one woman who supports men. Yes.
Sure.
Through everything that's happening, she supports men. Yes. She knows Uguti. The things that men go through are more difficult than the ones that women go through. Yeah,
sure.
I'd like to give a shout out to Unogbok. Yes.
Sure. Yeah.
She and her alone, because she's the only person I've seen. Mina Chief, I've been accused of iqalale. Should I say this?
Rape. Ke le tshaba hampe mfana ka ke move calculated. Ha fihla mo.
What's in umrape lungamrepha.
Ngikhulume le ndaba le.
Dog ikhulume dog. It's GBV dog.
Uthe wena wenzele yonto leyo ungayenzanga.
That's Hans. That's girls. Bafethu.
Awuyenzanga.
Hey,
I know.
that's why you can talk about it because of like you are actually the victim. Bruh, guys, me, like, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna repeat it again. Hans, love me or hate me, but you guys, you love acting as if you're victims, even on situations whereby you are not victims. Come on now, dog. Like, girls, man, like, I like Buffett. Like, this country, I wish there could be like a men organization whereby like we are attended the needs of guys, like situations like that one. Dog,
Chief.
for a guy, it's simple to go to jail for something you did not do. As long as the female says, yeah, you're in, dog.
Chief, listen. Mina bangvulela cell. The holding cell. La I put a job. Mina mkhulu.
Sure.
La I put a job police station.
Yeah.
Bangvulela holding cell. Bayivula dog. Bangimisa phambi kwayo. Bayivulile like open. I stood there in front of it.
Shit.
They said if you lie, you are sleeping inside. If you tell the truth, we might consider letting you go.
And kahle labantu laba bafuna ukuthi ubatshele bona into bafuna ukuthi bayizwe. That's the fucked up part about our system, dog.
That was the first time, dog, ngibatshela ukuthi I wouldn't rape a female, dog.
Yeah.
Because I know how many gents are inside for something they don't know. I know how many gents are inside for not having money to pay the woman,
dog,
in the morning.
Yo,
Yebo?
mavuso.
Yes. Mina my great uncle uke waboshwa, dog. Waboshela ukuthi intombi yakhe yahamba emaphoyiseni because she had gotten another man. Intombi yakhe yahamba emaphoyiseni yathi umrapile. He spent 25 years.
Yo. Yo.
We went, I think it was 8 years back.
That's why Banak
We went to check on him. Mina, I didn't know him.
Yeah.
Tabang, Mina, I was born, he was still in prison.
Yeah.
My uncle was born, he was still in prison.
The fuck?
We went to check on him. He didn't know any of my grandma's children.
Yo.
And my grandma was his sister.
Yo.
Yabo?
That's fucked up.
We went to check on him. Samtlola, Satola, I Ukraine.
Sure.
He got released, he died after because of his stress.
Yeah.
He's stressed, Chief. He was stressed.
I feel you, my
That he
boy.
got arrested. He spent more than 25 of his years in prison for something that he didn't know.
I feel it. Yo. Amaka South Africa, yabona, like we are failed as men in this country, bruh. Honestly speaking, bruh.
Chief, the system of law, it
Sure.
favors women.
Yeah.
Serious. It
Yeah.
favors women.
Yeah.
I'm not against women.
Listen, I'm not against.
I'm
bruh.
not against you guys. I supported this movement that you were doing.
Yeah.
But I'm not against women. Serious.
But it's
the
just
thing
not
that
fair.
that some of you, hear my words, some of you,
Exactly.
the things that some of women do, they just bulala, Chief.
Yeah.
Just bulala.
Yeah, bro.
Many of our gents are in prison for something they don't know. And then they want revenge.
One
Me
word or
too,
the
man.
other, my boy.
What do you guys say? You say men are cruel.
Men are dogs.
Men are dogs. Knowing very well that you are the reason behind the acting of this man. But I don't mean it in a bad way.
Yeah.
It's
I said,
wrong.
like, we don't mean it in a bad way. Understand this. There are women out there who are very considerate of us, who actually wouldn't do such things. But simultaneously or conversely, there are women who are fucked up. The women who fuck us up. The women who are fucking our brothers up. Our brothers who are right now at jail, bruh. You understand? Now, as you're saying, dog, we have our brothers there right now. Bahle, checkle tuma kanjani ngaphandle. Lo muntu leya useje careful into enga ulala ngengube eyi1 for into angayenzanga umuntu sezinhliziyo ijikile ebheke move ngento angayenzanga. No, let's be honest, this is not a joke, my boy. And into enyanyisa lento le GBV mabaqeda manje sebayishintsha. It's all about women, bruh. Like, you know, I've been looking at it. Me, like the people who chat with me, even now, ngantshela ntwana yami, like you would say, you didn't see me posting about people. I didn't even post it once because of me. I didn't. The only thing I posted is the green one. I shared the green one. I shared it. You understand? Because of I understood even the bruise too. They need to be heard. But females. Always it's about you. Aksu what we hate you. I don't hate women, bruh. For heaven's sake, we don't hate you guys.
Chief,
Sure.
I can send like 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8 stories to you about Amachita, Asekaslam,
Sure.
who were killed because of women
Oh,
for something that they don't know.
hand on.
I once showed Ustombe, I once showed some other people there by campus.
Sure.
I want to show them what's happening.
Yeah.
Kahle, men are neglected in this world.
Dog.
Men are neglected.
And like all over.
Now we must die for sins of people that we don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually,
True.
The next topic is what amuses me.
Ntwana, sase lapho ke. You understand? You see, you're gonna say, hey, we hate women, bruh. Look, for heaven's sake, bro. Like, I love women. You understand? But bruh, you guys are flawed. Like you guys are flawed. You guys are flawed. Because of right now, ukubonisa ukuthi like you guys are flawed beings and like Tina, we just have to stand you guys. We have to tolerate you. their pops of GBV yabona lento ngenza ukuthi two this thing kahle it reinforces on my question ukuthi is this thing WBV or is GBV? It's not women-based violence, it's gender-based violence. Manje lengane ke yase UFS main campus wafika wayishintsha indaba wathi all men should die we madoda. You see kahle we are the bad people here bruh. Arabashwe like one of the biggest I babo to Arabashwe all men should die Ruyenteng how it kapotsa ke dipatche tsa ditsuang plus it with patch ngono but
ucabanga ukuthi uyizale yena kanti babakho responsible ukuthi abakhona
tanko yabona like it's like siswan awuzalanga. There's a father responsible for you to exist. So when you say all men should die, what if all men died before you were even born? Kahle bengakuzu exist. Bengaku exist.
Why mina njalo mangile podcast nethu inhlamba nina? Why?
Asuka ngihlamba.
Nenzeni?
Usenzeni manje?
Nenzeni?
Stay.
Nithi nina
Wena tshela thi
nithi nina kube ubengekho ubaba wakhe ngabe naye akekho.
Okay ngabe ukhona
ngabe ukhona if let's say le statement lesi sakhe senzakele
uthe yena all men
should die all akathi except my father uthe all men should let's be honest all men should die manje like you see
nawe
ebese uzalwa yini
yeah ubazozalwa yini na
nawe
ebese uzalwa yini na
it's a simple question bruh.
Manini, whoa. You see about that one, yeah.
Ongafuni deviate, don't deflect, don't deviate. Was she going to be born now? Two Zulu English angeke kusho ukuthi awusizwe. Bekazozalwa na.
Same thing.
Phela ningakhohlwa phela ningakhohlwa ukuthi mina ngumswati mina.
Okay. So okay.
Yeah, ningakhohlwa ukuthi mina ngumswati mina. Uthi
khona yini?
Awu kahle wena kwente njani manje? Obani?
Yena lothi all men should die.
Yo. Hi.
Manini, wo. Asimeni kancane. Nina ngathi senithumela amagabathe manje.
Nathi asithumela amagabathe. Inkinga into esinyanyisayo ukuthi yena
all men should die. Simenzeni.
Man, wo. Akaka lale baba wakhe.
Oh no baba kafe ke.
Manini, phela baba wakhe he old man. Manje nina nithi
say
old man.
Okay.
Whoa.
All men should die. Stop deflecting, dog. All men should die. Kusho ukuthi no baba wakhe eto nomkhulu wakhe konke.
All men should die.
Konke.
No baba
uthe yena all men should die.
Yeah.
Akasho ukuthi old men should die.
All men. Lalela yabona usuzucabana nami ke manje usuzucabana nami ke manje. Lalela uthi old men.
Uthe old men.
Lalela wena uthini uthi old men lo muntu utheni all men wena le old le umen old ukuthi umncane umkhulu ngakanani ufola under men uthi we should die.
To be quiet.
Eluyani wena uvumelana nestatement sakhe
Yazivuma leso statement.
A question.
Yeah, sure.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Uthake.
Don't deviate.
Uthake wena babili. Angeke ngivumelane nestatement sakhe. Wo. Listen. Angeke ngivumelane nestatement sakhe mina. Angeke.
Why?
Attack ugirl kodwa angeke ngivumelane nestatement sakhe. Uthakiwe. Bekathakwe insango futhi bekathakwe natshwala.
Uthe all men.
Chief, listen.
Uthe all men.
Angeke sonke sifele izono zabantu esingabazi.
Exactly.
When do you know anyone okay waba Bathini le i-convict ye-GBV. Do you know anyone?
Nah, personally I don't.
Do you know anyone? Yima, do you know anyone?
mina nginankinga nalokho.
Do you know anyone? Umbuto ngilowo.
I-problem yami
Umbuto ngilowo. Do you know anyone?
Luyanda,
Hayi akafuni kungiphendvula lo muntu.
Luyanda.
Lalela
All
now.
men should die.
All
Say
baba.
all men.
Sonke.
Mina
Ngizulu ke.
nawe nobabakho nomkhulu wakho.
Udakiwe. Kwaze udakele. Udakiwe.
Nobhuti wakho kusho kanjalo.
Utsawa. My sister, sorry. Angeke kwenteke lokho. Thina sasekhona.
Tanko.
Wayengafyena.
Yeah.
Shita wena man, tweka.
Wayengafyena.
And okay, here's the irony part. Manje, today, like, I was scrolling on Facebook, I come across a post. There's a lesbian. Akusukuthi I'm against you flaking Tonintone sharp.
Asindlulela apha ingisi.
Like, but Ntwana, there was a lesbian who was holding the very same board. All men should die. So if all men should die, why are you acting like men, my sister?
Uzalo ubani?
Why are you acting like men? If all men should die, why are you acting like men? Hi, yeah, ne. Kunzima South Africa bafethu. Hi.
Wamzala wathi
Hi. Anyway, moving on to more. Hey, it was a busy week.
Mamela.
Sure.
Nje le eniqeda ukukhuluma ngayo mina ngingeni. Hayi. Hayi. Nina senigadla ingane zabantu.
wena uzalwe yini?
Nina senigadla ingane zabantu.
Asigadi, sikhuluma ama-fact la.
Nina niyatalapha manje ingane.
Safe room pod washo wena cellphone the episode science ukuthi la khona your thoughts are safe, our thoughts are safe.
Yeah. Uzalo mama kuphela yini wena?
Yeah.
Kodwa
Yeah,
okay, mamela ngiyakuphendula.
Mama.
Ngithi mina ngizalwe umama nobaba.
Dango.
Kodwa ama lesbian ningawafaki namagela.
No, lento lo sikhuluma ngayo. Into khona lo muntu la bekayiphethe le poster. I'll put up the this thing. I'll put up the picture. You understand? I'll put it up. I'll put up the screenshot. I'm going to put it up.
Don't do that.
Yabo, ayiphethe na.
You know Tom.
Why are you acting like men if all men should die?
Uthe all men should die.
Why?
Uthe uzalo mama yakhe kuphela.
You understand?
My sister, mina ngangife. Batshele nalawo babhalelele sign ukuthi ngithi mina.
This is a wild episode.
Uzalo ubani?
Awuzalanga nguma wakho kuphela.
Wesis.
Wozala wena Storm.
Anyway, moving on. This week Bagnama Sasma bafethu. Let's hope ukuthi nathi mhlawumbe boma next time gonna make it there bafethu. What do you think? I'm a Sasma. You all tapped in with the Sasmas. You know what the Sasmas are?
No.
Sasma Awards. Come on.
Oh.
Danko, yeah, one at least. Yeah,
akakhumbula.
Awazi ukuthi
Yini amasasma?
ngoba ufuna ukuba uDJ wazi amasasma.
South African bani?
Awazi amasasma.
Chief, yazi ngabe ngiphethe leader ngiyocontrola ngazokudijela la.
Yeah.
Next episode so DJ mina no Sithombe la.
Sure. Sure, Njaya. We're putting on a show, guys. On the next episode, you smell me? No, the Sasma Awards is typically the awards for content creators. Our podcast, the guy, the content creators.
ukuthi Sasma umele kuthini.
South
African.
Isho
phela ngisho wena uyazi. Hayi music uphu S.
South African Sasma. South African Social Media Awards.
Unamanga.
Hey, Malalela, South African Social Media Awards. Yeah. Yo, guys, I don't know.
Amasasma uthune.
Sure.
Yabona leyo show. Kade idlulile. Manje seku South African Music Awards.
It's Sama.
Sama.
Those are Samas. This one is Sasma. It's South African Social Media Awards. Yeah.
Amasasmas.
Amasasma.
Amasasmas our TikTok. Adlule-
social media
adlulile.
ile bekwenzakala this
Idlulile.
week indlulile ile sikhuluma ngayo indlulile yabona so siphuma kuma SASMA manje it was SASMA weeks well done to Open Chats once again they took the award the best podcast of the year foot
Serious?
but me I would understand dog I was actually coming today that podcast is the one that is bringing Vavavoom I mean they almost got sued with Vavavoom so they is Open Chats in fact yabo Sino abo Sino yeah they got the award
Badlala intombi laba ne-HIV bane-HIV la.
Nawe uyabadlela abantu. Hawu ngiyadlala akabadlela. Ngiyadlala.
Bane-HIV labo.
Hayibo allegedly.
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 Allegedly. Hayibo yana ufuna usibophisa. Allegedly.
at least there's a disclaimer at least there's a disclaimer
Ngeke. Yaza ngiboni.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Bane-AIDS labo.
Hayi wena allegedly.
Allegedly bane-AIDS labo.
yeah ne
Mara serious book.
when we think the best episode
Ah,
was
whoa,
there
whoa.
I think another best episode is about to be on air right now
Man.
Welele. Who on the 8 Ubani
Yibo.
Ubani
Yibo.
Ubani
Silabe open podcast.
Ubani kanti lo mshandisile.
Ungazonginyela wena.
Ubani?
Ungazongibhedela wena.
Welele
Ubani kanti.
yo
Whoa. Allegedly.
episode
Ngithi mina akakwazi usino ukuhamba ama-date ama-open date angaka angekho anganayo ingculazi
Ha.
unengculazi lo.
Hayi boy allegedly.
Allegedly unengculazi
there's a disclaimer the channel
according
that's all I
lalela
have.
whoa according usino unengculazi
Allegedly.
Hey.
Allegedly.
Guys, man, ngizwile I was here. Mina allegedly, dog allegedly. Guys, lo muntu lona mina angisho, hey guys, it's not me. I don't know anything.
Allegedly.
Not according to, guys, there's a disclaimer. Read the disclaimer very carefully on this one.
Allegedly.
Hey, whatever, no, what I'm saying, guy, whatever. Hey, money. Nah, this nigga's slip forward, man. Oh hell, this nigga's slip forward, man. But anyway, man, yeah. So Spuma SASMA bafethu the SASMA's Open Chats they took the best podcast of the year award. Again, you understand? And why utikag me na manje akusimi winning award. So next year. Oh, for next year. Yeah, we manifest, my boy. Yeah, next year podcast of the year is Alan. So the Bruce. Akekho umuntu onengculaza guys. Yeah, vele mina ngishongo logo. You know the person who said it. Manumfuna, he's Austin, he's the DJ. Uyatholakala.
Ku Facebook
Danko.
usithi imhlandi ku Instagram umhlandi lomuhle ku WhatsApp angathi into ngithola njani 0724294618 mina nginsaka
And I'm not gonna cut it out.
Shita.
You smell me? I'm not gonna cut it out.
Shita.
So anyway, the Bruce they did actually say this one it was an easy win, and they won.
Allegedly.
They won. So yeah, moving on to SASMA, I feel to yeah. So like SASMA, like they said the Bruce they actually said it was an easy win. You understand? So when the Bruce they said it was an easy win, they actually got it. You understand? They were competing about podcasting, chill and whatsoever, but they beat them, bro. And a boom on Sunday's episode. Yesterday. Sunday's episode. Which one are these ones? Spreading humors. Sima was not so happy about that, bro. Yeah, she was not excited. You understand? Sima. Sima was not too excited about that, bro. You understand? So she was not too excited about that, about the win of the Bruce. Me, I say, yo, Bruce, congratulations, bruh. Like, y'all deserve it. Y'all been bringing, like, crazy entertainment. I wish one of these mics picked you up. And I'm not gonna cut it out. I wish.
Uyayisile nje. Akadayisanga.
Yo, this nigga's a wild. Yeah, so angeke siyilalele into yakhe. We are not listening to Sima. Endaba kaSima singeni.
Uluzina ama followers because of that.
Yeah. Ngokudayisa ingane zabantu. Dayisa ingane
Because
zabantu.
of what?
Uthathe ingane zabantu wathi une-job opportunity.
Russia. Wadayisa ingane zabantu manje uthi uyabuya uzojalasela abantu la.
Mhlawumbe ivile ingane zabantu lapha.
Human trafficking.
Nah, this episode is one of the wildest, bro. This episode is wild, like you niggas. But anyway, that is the truth, bruh.
Mhlawumbe usisi wami lo yena.
Amusela phaya.
Mhlawumbe usisi wami.
Yabona? Ngidayisile. Yena u right la khona ozobuya sojelasela ingane zabantu.
Naka.
So yeah, man, like yeah, Open Chest took the award, man. Congratulations to the Bruce. You understand? So it is what it is.
Nengqulazi
You
yabo.
understand?
Nengqulazi yabo.
When I feel good, people go more to Ngolazo. What's up? Emily, you gonna fuck up my podcast? Those niggas they gonna attack.
Abeza kimi.
Afe.
Ngibanikezile nje sithi
Ayi,
Instagram,
zwakala.
Facebook, ku Instagram, Mhlandelo Muhle 8. Ku WhatsApp 0724294618.
Muhle bani?
Mhlandelo Muhle 8.
Yeah.
Angisho mangiyaliphola ngcoka number 8 yangimu. Unganginyeli bani. Yo wena.
Eba feel too vulgar.
Hey yo, boom.
But it's 18 plus anyways for adults, not for kids. Anyway, yeah man.
Wagwan.
Wagwan man. Yeah man. Hope you enjoyed the episode. This was the wildest episode. But anyway, man, as we are approaching the end of the episode, I have a question of the day. It's a new thing that I've been editing. Sima bathi sokubuza ukuthi abadayisa ingane zabantu na. Akusiyibi.
House snack.
Akusiyibi.
Kelly, awubadayisanga yini abantwana babantu?
Akusiyibi. Lento labantu laba bayisho it doesn't reflect anything of this network. There's a disclaimer.
Well, abadayisanga yini? Uyabona nawe uyahleka. Uyabona ukuthi abadayisanga. Abadayisile. Sisombadayisile abantwana babantu.
Perfect. Yo, Bruce, as we are closing the episode, you understand? Yo, here's the thing. Ever since today, we've went through the session of being heated up by the women and all the stuff, you understand? So here is the question and the statement of the day, you understand? I want y'all to tell me what's your take on this one, you understand? Because of, if there's anything that it serves as a lesson for the bruised community, the male community, the excluded ones.
South African Stingy Man Award.
You understand? Kwamele bawayenze ngawina lapho. Yabo. So here is my say about it. So as we are closing on the episode, I say here's the statement and it goes with the question. And I actually saw this thing is a video I saw on Facebook, you understand? So this young boy, and he was actually factual. He said men should abstain from women for like 5 years. Listen, that's the thing. It's like into going to go to abstain, but
Yes or no?
5 years.
listen, brothers, let me cook. Let me cook.
When you abstain now. 5 years.
You can't be sellable. Perfect, let me cook. Perfect, let me cook. Let me cook. I say, let me cook. Let me cook. Time is running out, dog. men should abstain from women for like 5 years. Where they gonna focus on them and building themselves, so that women can realize how much they need men and how much important men are. What's your take? And the reason I'm saying this is because of, as men, we are too focused on the house, bruh.
Exactly.
We are not even focused on ourselves. So we gotta focus on ourselves for like 5 years and bring us what the Sure, man. Hey, DJs.
Angifocus kuma-hands.
Yeah, man.
Mina ngifike ngidlale ngiphuze.
Phume sabe.
Danko.
Sure.
That's what I'm saying. Men should like when we're gonna like focus on building ourselves.
When we abstain 5 years.
Yes or no?
5 years. Ulokhu uyibulala ngendlwane. No wonder the right hand is bigger than your left hand.
Yes or no?
We are telling Anyway, guys.
The answer or no?
The answer is no, bro. It's tough. But the problem is, let me tell you, here's the thing. Let me give you the lesson of the day, bro. Here is the spiritual fact, bro. Yabona, it's more of like fasting. If us ninja something, ane, you gain something spiritually, you become strong, you understand? Like this thing like is gonna benefit you somehow. And as Bruce, our problem is that we focus on
when wahlala u5 years ungantaseng ungantaseng yo don't listen to this shit when a man.
Anyway, man, it's the safe food part. Yo, what a crazy episode.
2 years.
I wouldn't. To be honest.
Manje.
I'm just saying we build ourselves, bro. Let's build ourselves. You can be syllable. Stay syllable, my friends. Yo, as we had it, guys. It's the same food part, man. You know what it is. Yo, shout outs for pulling out, brothers. You know what it is, man. This was one of the wildest episodes. I have a feeling the best days are coming. You smell me. Anyway, it's the safe phone part. Just make sure. Yeah.
Before you close, would you do that one?
Nah, I wouldn't, my brother.
Man, you suppose the line get
Why you suppose?
Why you suppose?
I'll
But in life, we should develop. We should do something different.
honest.
I was defeated. I was not even defeated by the hands. I was defeated by the bruise. As you can see, it's tough for the bruise to stay away from the hands. And we're supposed to focus on us.
Chief, listen, we need women. As much as they need us.
They need us.
Ama-males angeke akhone ukusurvive without females. Ama-females futhi angeke akwazi ukusurvive without males.
Yeah, siyadingana lento le kahle inika ukuthi survive. But anyway, man, it's the safe room pa, and thank you for tuning in. Just make sure you like, comment, share, hit the subscribe button. Yo, bros, thank you for making this episode a beautiful episode, man. Yo, thank you guys. Shout out, we are deuces.
La umhlalo muhle lo umbiza onkamnabo lamafafa imvula nabo lamasikisi ngibonyana letsenza sika kuthiwa mahlanje lamahlanje ngenyamatani bosonzela waqonya umntukulo wathi umusumle ngani maphuzu ukhahlele intombi zimcela ukhise phansi epoboleni esigodleni sikasigwinya konke umlondozi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba na Foxy ngihamba na Snackman nichunine lapha kwa Snack Eaters ngibuye into subscriber ningene kwa Snack Eaters nithenge ngihamba na Sithombe la DJ ningakhohlwa ukungena ku YouTube ku Sound Save ni like ku Sithombe la DJ ningakhohlwa ukungena ku TikTok and like ku Sithombe la DJ sonke dango
Yeah, man.
out and about.
It's the safe room pa. We out. Yeah.
I'll beg. We got emotion though. We got emotion. We got a toast. We got a toast. We got a toast. My nigga post. We got a roast.